Eksakto. O, see? Sarang, heyo. Anong sayo? Kamusta? Ay, Sarang, I have a song for you. Sarang, he. If you are listening, I have a song for you. Eric wrote this last night, but you are already asleep. Oh, where is that? He play it on live or what? I forgot. Wait. Let me check if I have that song. Oh, maybe Eric play it on in live only. Ah, ito. Sarang, Hiyo, are you listening to me? This is your song that Eric's